It's cooking time with C. Today recipe is cheesy cauliflower bisque, and I found a good deal at the market. So we have beef neck bones. When you find a good deal and you're trying to do something different with cauliflower, this is the recipe you're seeing. So enjoy. See you at the end of the video. I just put in whatever cheese I had on hand. I think you can put any type of cheese. Shredded cheese will make it easier, but any type of cheese, it'll make it even cheesier. I showed you I put 1 cup. I could have probably put at least 2 in there, but this came out very creamy. I do like this bisque. You know, I'm used to a regular soup, but to do that type of blending, and also, you know, I had to do it with the Ninja Bullet, but you know, I think this would have turned out no matter which one. And when you're in R&B, you kind of limit yourself to, you want things that can be multitasked. But anywho, so also took 1.5 cups and froze it, and it turned out excellent. I had that probably like 4 days later, but this was yummy, family, and with the beef. So fam, I hope you enjoyed that new cauliflower recipe. So peace, love, and happiness. Gratitude is the right attitude. See you on the next one. Peace.